The market has fallen today, and the fall in market provides opportunity for us to buy good stocks. Welcome to Coach Fin. I am Nilesh Bodhi, and in today's video, we are going to see 6 stocks which we can think of buying in the falling markets. Larsen and Toubro Infotech. This is the first stock. It has fallen by minus 3.5%. It is a large cap stock. ROC is 35.7%. ROE is 28.5%. Debt to equity ratio is 0.09. Current price is 4,721.70. If you see the sales, then since March 2018, where it made a sales of 7,306 till 2022, where it is making 15,669 in sales. So the sales have been continuously improving and growing from 2018 till 2022. If you see the net profit, then the net profit of March 2018 was 1,112, and since then it has been continuously growing, and it has grown to 2,297 crores in March 2022. If you see the reserves, then in March 2018 the reserves were 3,843 crores, and from then it has started increasing and it has went till 8,797 crores in March 2022. If you see the borrowings, whereas we can see that in March 2018 the borrowings were 0%. There was no borrowing in crores, 0 crores, right? But then in March 2022 the company has got a borrowing of 836 crore. Obviously, when a company is growing, it takes loans and it has to grow. But if you see the borrowings and reserves ratio, we can say it's totally a virtually debt-free company, and so hence there is no issue in this. The financials are very strong, and if you want to consider this stock for long term, then yes, it is a very good stock for long term. Expected growth is at a rate of 176.08%, and the price may reach 13,505.40 in next 5 years. The next stock is Globus Spirits, which is down by minus 2.24%. It is a small cap stock. ROC is 34.0, ROE is 27.6%, debt to equity ratio is 0.23, and the current price is 887.25. If you see the sales, in March 2018 the sales was 853 crores, and since then it has been continuously growing, and it has reached to 1,579 crores in March 2022. If you see the net profit, wherein in March 2018 the net profit was 7 crores, it is continuously growing and improved, and it has reached to 187 crores in March 2022. If we see the reserves, then in March 2018 the reserves were 351 crores, and since then it has been continuously improving and growing, and in March 2022 it has grown to 744 crores. If you see the borrowings, where the borrowings were 252 crores in March 2018, it is decreasing, and yes, it has decreased to 180 crores in March 2022. So the fundamentals are very strong, the reserves are very strong, borrowings are continuously coming down, and hence it is a totally debt-free company because the borrowings are very less as we compared with the reserves. If you want to buy this stock for long term, then this is a very good stock. This is an outstanding stock for long term investment for 5 years, and the expected growth is to be 265.17%, and the price may reach to 3,319.02 in next 5 years. The third company is Bharat Dynamics Limited, which is down by minus 4.30%. This is a mid-cap stock with ROC 26.1%, ROE 18.3%, debt to equity is 0.00, current price is 798.30. If you see the sales, then it made a sales of 4,588 crores in March 2018, and since then it was on a decreasing trend till March 2021, where it made a sales of 1,914 crores. But in March 2022, when COVID was over, it made a sales of 2,817 crores. Just remember one thing, that this company is making defense equipments, so it has got a very good business, okay, and they have got very good clients as well. It made a net profit of 528 crores in March 2018, and as we can again see in the sales part, it was decreasing till March 2021. Same here in net profit, profit went down to 258 crores in March 2021. But in March 2022, when COVID was gone, it had made a profit of 500 crores. If you see the reserves, then it was 1,773 crores in March 2018, and since then it has been increasing, and it has increased to 2,847 crores in March 2022. If we see the borrowings, then the borrowings were 4 crores in March 2018, and then it has grown to 7 crores in March 2022. But this is virtually debt-free company because the borrowings can be very easily taken care from the reserves. This is a very awesome stock from long-term investment point of view. It is expected to be grown at 253.66%, and it may reach to 2,820.25 in the next 5 years if you are investing in this stock for next 5 years. The next company is Sportking India Limited. This is down by minus 4.23%. This is a small cap stock. ROC is 55.2%, ROE is 78.2%, debt to equity is 0.70, and the current price is 915. If we see the sales, then in March 2018, it made a sales of 1053 crores, and since then it has been increasing and it has reached to 2154 crores in March 2022. If we see the net profit, then it made a profit of 19 crores in March 2018, and since then it has been increasing and it has reached to 409 crores in March 2022. If you see the reserves, it was 198 crore in March 2018, and since then it has been increasing and it has grown to 758 crores in March 2022. If you see the borrowings, then in March 2018 it was 479 crores and it has been continuously growing and it has grown to 537 crores in March 2022. For all these stocks, I have made an elaborative video and I will give the link in the description if you want to grow and study about these stocks. This is virtually a debt-free company. If you are thinking for long term, then this is an outstanding stock for long term investment. It is expected to grow at plus 239.02% and the price may reach to 3100.71 in the next 5 years. The next company is Deepak Nitrite Limited. It is down by minus 2.98%. This is a large cap stock with ROC 44.5%, ROE 37.4%, debt to equity 0.09. The current price is 1980.45. If you see the sales in March 2018, it made a sales of 1651 crores, and since then it has been increasing and it has increased to 6802 crores in March 2022. If you see the net profit was 79 crores in March 2018, and since then it has been continuously increasing year on year and it has increased to 1067 crores till March 2022. If we see the reserves, 895 crores was the reserves in March 2018, and from that particular point in time, it is continuously increasing and it has increased to 3,311 crores in March 2022. If you see the borrowings, then in March 2018, the borrowings were 987 crores. Since then, it has been on the decreasing level and we can see it has been decreased to 315 crores in March 2022. So virtually, this is also a debt-free company, as we can see. This is a very outstanding long-term stock. If you want to make investment for the next 5 years, the growth is expected to be 214.38% and the price of the stock may reach to 6,223.99 in next 5 years. The next stock is InfoEdge India Limited. It is down by minus 4.72%. It is also a large cap stock with ROC 24.3%, ROE 21.8%, debt to equity 0.00, and this has a current price of 4,244.05. If you see the sales, then in March 2018 the sales were 988 crores, and since then it has been continuously increasing and it has increased to 1,589 crores. If you see the net profit, then 512 crores was the net profit in March 2018, and since then it has been increasing and it has increased to 12,760 crores in March 2022. If you see the reserves, then it was 1923 crores in March 2018, and since then it has been continuously increasing and it has increased to a tremendous amount of 17,113 crores in March 2022. The borrowings were 1 crore in March 2018, and then it has been increasing and it has increased to 64 crores in March 2022. But the reserves are so huge that it can very easily take care of the borrowings. So virtually it's a debt-free company. This is a very good long-term investment stock. If you want to invest, the expected growth is to be around 134.59% and it may reach to 9,943.60 in next 5 years. Thanks for watching. This video was made for educational purpose only and it was not a recommendation to buy any of the stocks suggested in this video. Please consult your financial consultant before making any investment in any of these stocks. Don't forget to create your free Demat account on Dhan app for investment in stock. I have given the link in the description to open the account. Please comment and let us know how did you like our video. Also, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and hit the bell button next to it. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.